everyone. If you are still struggling to manifest your dreams and desires, then there is one block that is stopping you, and that block is your belief. Your mind does not accept that desire as truth because you do not have that strong belief. Friends, we all are carrying some beliefs since our childhood, and there are some positive beliefs and negative beliefs too. But let's understand what exactly this belief is. If you Google that, it says an acceptance that something exists or is true, especially one without proof. So the beliefs which we are carrying since our childhood, positive and negative both. Positive beliefs help us to grow in life, but negative beliefs become an obstruction to achieve our dreams and goals. Let me share an example. A person, let's say Robert, who came to me, had an issue with money. He said, I am working in a field where we can make a lot of money. Though my office mates, my colleagues are making good money, but I am not able to do that. Sometimes when I do that, I face a lot of relationship issues in my family. I asked him to make a list for his positive and negative beliefs for money. He made some positive beliefs for money, like I like money, money is good, money comes to me, and negative beliefs too, like money comes with a hard work, money does not grow on tree, money destroys relationship. Another example of John, he said, I am not able to succeed in life because wherever the field which I choose, I always get failed. I asked him to make the same list too for success, where he mentioned success is not an easy task. Success is not my cup of tea, and I most of the time I get failure. So he also made the same list. Then here I want to ask one thing from all of you. Are you also carrying some negative beliefs from your childhood? If yes, make a list. Check this belief is related to what? What exactly this belief is? Is it becoming an obstruction for your success, your happiness, your growth, money, becoming rich, whatever? And check those negative beliefs. How will you check it? Find out some universal truths, universal beliefs, like sun rises in the east. It is a universal belief. Wherever you go, wherever you are, even if you change your place, your country, this truth, this belief will remain the same. Sun rises in the east. Water is colorless. Again, it's the same universal belief. Earth rotates around the sun. Earth is made not only for human. Day and night. These all are universal beliefs. And to check your beliefs, whether your belief is true or not, you need to re-question your belief. For example, if you say money destroys relationship, check whether this belief is a universal truth, universal belief. If it's not, then it's false. Then you need to work on this belief. You need to change this belief into positive so that you start getting the positive results. And how will you change it? For example, Like Robert had this issue. I asked him to work upon this, and he changed his belief. He had the belief of money destroys relationship. So he changed that into positive, like money brings joy and happiness with love in my family. As soon as he started changing those beliefs, internal changes started happening there. And when something happens inside, the result comes outside. And he got wonderful results. Nowadays, he is earning whatever he was earning before, he is earning more than 2-3 times of that. Same is the case of John. He has chosen a field and he is getting success into that. I want you to create your story and share that with me. If you have any negative belief, have you changed it? And if you are facing any problem, any struggle, let me know. I will help you. So this is it for today. If you like this video, if you think that this video has added a value in your life to you, give a thumbs up and share this video with someone else who might need this, because sharing is caring. That shows you care for them. Till then, see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, take care, love you all. Namaste.